Good morning, students. So okay, here in this video we are going to have a discussion in financial markets and services subject. So okay, in that regards, here let us discuss something in general. Suppose here you have a two friends, X as well as Y. Suppose here X is a person who is doing the business. So okay, he is somewhat genuine person. Whenever he needs money in doing the business activities, in operating the business, so okay, he is asking money from you. So okay, you also give money regularly to the X. Whenever he takes the money from you, so okay, within that time, within the due date, he is repaying it. So in addition to that, you are also observing him how he is doing business. So okay, here what are the assets he is acquiring in the business process. So okay, how he is performing, how his business is performing, somewhat extent you have that information also. So okay, here, so anyway, whenever X needs the money, whenever X asks you, so you are giving money to him. So okay, he is also clearing, he is also paying that money what he is taking from you within the due date. So it is a regular activity which is being done by done between yourself and Mr. X. So okay, meanwhile your another friend Y, Mr. Y, has come to you and asks your suggestion that, so okay, here Y is telling you what Y is telling you is that what suggestion he is asking you that is, so okay, Mr. X has asked money to expand his business. So in the process of his business he needs some money. He has come to me and he asked for some money. So okay, with adjustment. So okay, here so now Y is asking you, can I give money to the Mr. X? So okay, is it safe if I give money to him? So will he repay correctly or not? What kind of person X is? Because X and Y, so Y doesn't have any idea, a proper idea about the X business or X financial affairs. So okay, that's why Y approached you and requesting your suggestion. So okay, here in this situation, here in this scenario, you are the person. So okay, what you want to tell to Y, or what suggestion you want to give to Y is, because you have a already very good opinion about the X. You have a confidence in the X. X has already taken money from you so many times. So okay, he is repaying the money within the due date whenever he takes money from you. So okay, he is doing business very well. So and his business performance is also good. So by the considering all these things, so okay, you can give the suggestion to the Y. So that is you are telling to the Y that is you can easily give money to the Mr. X. So okay, if you give money to the Mr. X, it will be safe. So okay, I know he is a genuine person. So okay, whenever he takes money from me, he is clearing very genuinely. He is always clearing, he is always making payments in time. So okay, he is always making installments in time. So okay, here, so that's why you don't worry about your money. So you can easily give your money to the Mr. X. So it is somewhat safety. There will not be a risk associated with it. So you are telling this. So okay, why you are telling this? So okay, how can you give assurance to the Y about the Mr. X? That is the question. So okay, here, how can you give the assurance? So okay, here to the Y about the Mr. X. So okay, is to give this assurance to the Y about the Mr. X. What you consider, what you do, what are the major things you consider to give the assurance mean? So first, you identify, you observe first of all, you have a very good opinion about the Mr. X, because he has already taken money from you many times and he cleared your money. He paid in time. So every time he paid in time. So okay, that is first thing you have. So that is the first thing you have. So that's why you have a very good opinion. So the money what X is taking from you on interest basis is called as credit. So okay, X is taking credit from you. So okay, whenever he takes a credit, he clears it. So that's why he cleared the credit in time. So that is the main thing you observed about the Y. So here what you observed is, so okay, how the X is taking credit, how he is repaying it. So okay, this is what we are calling as credit history. So okay, you saw the credit history of the X. You feel that the credit history of the X is good. So okay, the credit history includes position of borrowings, and next and important one is position of repayment. How much amount of money he borrowed, what type of borrowings he had done. So okay, how he repaid it, how genuine he is, how quick he is in making payments. So okay, all these are included in the credit history. So first of all, you observe the credit history. So here the X credit history is good. Based upon this credit history, you also know that how the X is doing business, what are the assets the X business has. So okay, you have somewhat information about the assets of X also. So based upon these things, based upon the X credit history was good, the X has a sufficient assets. So okay, based upon the credit history and assets position of the Mr. X, so okay, you are able to assess credit worthiness. So okay, you are able to assess the credit worthiness of the Mr. X based upon the credit history and position of assets. Based upon the credit history and assets position, you assess the credit worthiness, and as well as you are estimating future ability of X to clear debts. So okay, here what you are telling to Y is, so okay, you are recommending X, you are recommending Y, you are suggesting Y. You can easily give money to the Mr. X. Don't worry about that, you can give it. He will clear easily. So okay, that means you are estimating Mr. X future ability is very good. So okay, you are estimating the future ability of the X to clear the debts or financial commitments. In order to estimate the future ability of the Mr. X, you first of all you assessed the credit worthiness of the Mr. X. So okay, you assessed the credit worthiness of the Mr. X based on the credit history of the X as well as assets and business position of the Mr. X. So okay, here by the considering all these things, simply you are assessing credit worthiness and estimating the future ability of a person to clear the debts is what we are calling as credit rating. This is our actual topic. Now our topic is the credit rating. What do you mean by credit rating? Assess the credit worthiness and estimate the future ability of a person to clear its debts is called as a credit rating. So to give the credit rating, so okay, we are depending on the credit history of the person and assets position of the person. So okay, based upon the credit history and assets position and business performance of the person, we can assess the credit worthiness. based upon the credit worthiness, we can estimate the future ability of that person to clear the debts or not. So okay, these debts are also called as financial commitments. So okay, we can also call them financial commitments. So okay, whatever it might be. So okay, here this is what we are calling as a credit rating. So okay, here credit rating is a very important financial service which is offered by some organizations. So normally the organization which provide credit rating facility, so by the assessing the credit worthiness of a person, is called as credit rating agencies, CRAs. Credit rating agencies. The credit rating agency is an organization taking care of the the credit rating agency is an organization which assess the credit worthiness of the individual or institution and estimate the future ability of that individual or institution to clear their financial commitments. So okay, so this is what about the credit rating. So finally, credit rating means simply, so it is a process of assessing credit worthiness of a person or company and estimating their future ability to clear their financial commitments. So okay, here this is what we are calling as credit rating. To provide the credit rating, to rate the credit worthiness of the person. So okay, the credit rating agency based upon the credit history and asset position as well as business performance of that company or individuals. So okay, here hope you all understood. So okay, our topic is credit rating. So okay, let us discuss the remaining points in our further videos. Thank you all.